Hello, today we're talking about seeing clutter through fresh eyes. Sometimes when we have clutter, in fact, oftentimes when we have clutter, we become blind to it because it becomes a part of our environment. We don't notice it. Like we don't notice the dining room table when you're walking by, not usually. We don't notice the drawers in the front of the cabinets in the kitchen. We don't notice the television. It's just part of our environment. We know they're there, but we don't notice it. So when you're looking for doing a clutter stop, and that's picking up things that weren't there a couple of hours ago, that's the clutter stop, or when you're beginning to declutter, you need to look at it through fresh eyes. Look at it as if your best friend was coming over to walk through your house who's organized, or your mother-in-law, or me, or you were going to take a picture of it to send it to somebody to show your whatever, and you see all that clutter. I want you to open your eyes to your clutter and start getting rid of it. It will be nice not to have to notice clutter because there is no clutter. Have a wonderful day.